Here's something we have. It's the Atari Bookkeeper kit for the 800 and 400. I don't even know if it's for the 400. No, just the 800 computer system. So yeah, this apparently it's still sealed. This was a package that would let you basically take care of your business. So it's for accountants and non-accountants. So if you had a small business or something, this is something you would purchase for your Atari 800 microcomputer. I would assume it works with the later computers, but actually it's packaged with the CX85 keypad, and I don't think that's compatible with the XEs. It uses some kind of driver or something. I think it connects to the keyboard port. I've never used one, so this is all new to me. I just thought it'd be neat to have, just to check out. So it's the Bookkeeper kit from Atari, the professional accounting system for non-accountants. It handles virtually all your accounting needs. Perfect for home businesses and small business owners. Keep track of invoices, checks, and cash. Use it to stay on top of accounts receivable and payable. Generate general ledgers, print out monthly, year-end, or on-demand profit and loss statements, produce balance sheets, retrieve names of customers and vendors in an alphabetical or numerical order. Use the numerical keyboard for fast, easy data entry. And when used in business, the Bookkeeper kit can be a valuable tax write-off. I should have did that. I just did my taxes. Yeah, so there's a powerful accounting system for non-accountants. Business and small business alike can use this thing. It's a very large box, actually. So that's about all you get. You get a nice man and lady there typing away on the 800. He's got the 410 data cassette recorder, 2 810 floppy drives. I don't know what model printer that is. But yeah, here's other office programs you can get. Interesting monitor they have. But yeah, it's in pretty good shape. Let's open this guy up here. All right. Looks like someone must have... I don't know. Is that factory? Nah, someone taped it. I think. I don't know. So yeah, this is from copyright 1982. Part number CA060294. So yeah, here we go. Okay. Open this guy. Yep. There we go. Again, I've never used any of these things in here before. So, what we get. Wow, nice box here. Sealed Atari 810. This package contains the data entry diskette, reporting diskette, sample database diskette, Benson, database diskette, Bookkeeper user's guide, and a simplified guide. So the requirements, shrink wrap shrunk some more and ruined the box a little bit. Get out of here. The requirements are Atari 800, Atari Basic. You need 48K. Wow. An Atari 810 disk drive. I'm assuming the 1050 or any later ones would work. The interface module. I don't know why you need that for printer. Yeah, I think for this printer, I think that's why you need this. Television monitor. Yeah. All right. What else do we get here? Your 90-day limit. How come they always were 90 days back then? I still don't get it. Nice, some discoloration. 1982 Atari. Alright. The Bookkeeper Numerical Keypad User's Guide. Look at that beautiful artwork. 2010. 6531. Okay. So it plugs in the front of your Atari. And away you go. That's how you have to use it. Minus. Enter. No, yeah. Whoa, a no yes button? Nice. Troubleshooting. Try a game. Why is it not on every troubleshooting guide? Play a game for a while. Calm down. Alright, open. Oh boy. I don't want to rip this thing all up here. This thing's as old as I am. There we go. Alright, so we get in here. The Bookkeeper User Guide. Nice dot matrix print. Okay, what else is here? The Simplified Bookkeeper's Guide. Wow, that's simplified. Reminds me of work, all these flow charts. Yikes. Look at this thing. This is simplified. Wow, that's quality paper there. Here's all the diskettes. Reporting diskette. Wow, I'm missing some, I think. Some fell out. Database diskette. Bookkeeper. Data entry. Reporting. Something else in here. What's this? Labels. Nice. And finally, the numeric keypad. Yeah, that's all that's in there. Wow, someone hand-tied this thing. There it is. Just like on the instructions. Wow, that's actually nice. There we go. The CX85. Wow. Could have been my 800 keyboard wasn't like that. Well, that's the inside of this thing.